How to log in into Intel Employee Portal. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in Intel Employee Login and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Click on the very first one, Intel Employee Portal, open it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Intel. Now over here you will find this icon, click on it. You will land to the login page. Now over here you will see the option of Employee Sign In, click on it. Now from this page you are able to log into your employee account. Intel is a world leader in design and manufacturing of essential technologies. Intel shapes the future of technology, driving innovation for a safe and productive world. So type in your email address over here. After you type in your email address, click on next. Now enter your password. In the case you have forgotten your password, you can click on this option to recover it. Once you fail this, click on the option of sign in, and with that you will be logged into your account. So this way you can easily log into Intel Employee Portal. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.